Good day. I'm about to present a solution to Paul McWater's new Arduino tutorial 1, link in the description. The exercise is to change the delay time in increments such that the LED blinks faster on each step. This is the LED. So your eyes can no longer distinguish on and off. So basically, I don't want to be able to, want to see this light blink so fast that I cannot even tell when it's off and when it's on. These are the time intervals in milliseconds. So I have here 500 and 500. I send it to the Arduino, and you can see here it's blinking on and off for half a second. I change it to 100 following the table. Upload. It's blinking faster. Change it to 50. I can still see it blinking, so I want to see blinking way faster. I can still see the blinking. Change to 20. You could hardly see it. Let's increase the value a little bit. And that's about it.